Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Read the termination clause closely, note notice timelines and cure provisions, and locate the governing law so you know what counts. Once done, gather concrete evidence of breaches or performance shortfalls, emails, invoices, dates, and calculate any financial exposure like penalties or liquidated damages. Make sure to confirm who is authorized to sign notices and prepare a clear timeline. This establishes the legal foundation, so your next outreach won't be rejected on technical. Now you issue the formal termination notice. Write a short, specific letter that cites the exact contract clause, lists concrete breaches with dates, and states the remedy sought. Once written, deliver it using the contract's specified method, certified mail or registered email, and retain delivery proofs because receipts matter. Set a clear cure deadline and explain consequences if not fixed. Follow up promptly on any response. Keep a record of all communications so you can prove you complied with procedural requirements. To finish, confirm that the cure period expired without remedy, then send a final termination notice that states the effective date and suspends obligations as permitted. Next, inventory and secure any company property, issue final invoices, and document handoffs to limit liability. Once terminated, evaluate remedies, negotiate settlement, pursue liquidated damages, or start dispute resolution set out in the contract. If things go wrong, initiate mediation or arbitration quickly and preserve all evidence. Communication logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.